Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is my last video about my plastic surgery journey. As promised, I will do plastic surgery Q&A and show the final result of my rhinoplastic and fat graft surgery. So the common question about plastic surgery I always get is plastic surgery painful? Not really. I have to say that for me, I don't really feel any pain during the plastic surgery because the reason behind this plastic surgery is done in excellent anesthesia care. All plastic surgeons in ID hospital are well equipped and experienced. As I mentioned on my part 2 video, I'm like took a quick nap inside the surgery room, but I do feel dizzy right after my surgery, which is very normal. What I can say is every person's body and pain tolerance is different. In general, most surgery have minimum discomfort. Make sure you have communicate your thought well with your surgery doctor. How long does it take to get over plastic surgery? It took 2 weeks to remove the cuts and stitches on my nose. Most of rhinoplastic and fat graft swelling subsides within 2 to 3 weeks, but full recovery can take 5 to 6 months. If you want to wear makeup, you will be presentable 2 weeks after your surgery. I stopped wearing makeup and back to my skincare routine on day 15. If you have bruises on your face, you can cover it with concealer. Other than that, everything is fine. Okay, how can I get a fast recovery from plastic surgery? The best way to get the speediest recovery from plastic surgery is start a healthy lifestyle. Quit smoking and drinking. Smoking and drinking habit can delay healing process, which increase risk for infection and post-scar. So if you are a smoker or drinker, try to stop smoking and drinking for at least 13 days. So I have taken note on my phone just in case I forgot. What's the best food to eat after plastic surgery? Do eat balanced diet filled with nutrition. Remember to eat healthy food such as porridge, organic food, and veggies. I was told do not chew so much when eating food because of my fat grafting. I know it's a bit weird, but it certainly helps with the healing. And beside that, it's not for forever, just for temporary. And remember to avoid salty, spicy and oily food for at least 2 to 4 weeks to prevent unwanted swelling. Alright, I know it's not easy, so no need to remove it altogether from your diet, just try to avoid it. Okay? Also remember that avoid all heavy activities after surgery that increases your heart rate and blood pressure for 2 weeks. But light activities such as walking are much recommended. Do not blow your nose. I was told to avoid blowing or sniffing of my nose. The nose tissues are extremely sensitive during the first 3 weeks after surgery, and too much of this activity can irritate it further. And it's normal to have nose stripping for a few weeks after surgery. Avoid pressing your face. It will affect your fat graft and nose result. So I have to be careful of it. What I do is I use higher pillow to avoid pressing my face to the side. The higher pillow you sleep, the better. Do take your medication on time. Docfinderkorea team has prepared medication for me. These medications are used to control the pain and swelling and to promote healing. Do drink plenty of water and get your fiber. Staying hydrated will help you feel better. Docfinderkorea team prepared lots of pumpkin juice for me, which is very good in reducing swelling during the recovering period. But don't take too much. I was told to drink no more than 3 packs a day. Do take a good care of your incision. Incision care is key, not just to ensure that your scar heals and fades beautifully, but also to protect you from infection. Every morning and night, I have to disinfect the incision and antibiotic ointment to help the healing process. If your incisions are covered with surgical tape just like me, don't peel it off by yourself. Leave it in the place as long as possible. Surgical tape protects your scar from dirt, which can cause infection, and it also protects you from the stress of body movements. Follow-up appointments. It is important always have a follow-up appointment with your surgeon. Docfinderkorea team was so kind. They are with me all the time to follow up my appointments with ID Hospital to be sure my checkup and recovery is going well. I was so happy with my current nose shape. Very natural. This is exactly what I wanted. Thanks to ID Hospital, especially Docfinderkorea team. Plastic surgery is a very big decision, and they helped me to make the right one and treat me with respect and get the great result that I wanted to achieve. That's all about my Q&A and my surgery final result. Don't forget to check out my part 1 and part 2 video. Please make sure to give it a like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you guys!